Hi everyone, welcome back to ABN English. Can you guess what am I right now? Is it a wedding? Not a wedding, it's an alumni at Department of Botany, University of Rajshahi. I'm really enjoying this environment. It's really fascinating. There are a lot of lighting and people are just come here. They're taking photos and selfies. They're enjoying. And the program also, in front of this department. It's really a great time for the ex-students of the department. They came here and cherish their memories. They, get together with their, juniors and their friends and many more things. And they're attending this program with their families. That's really enjoyable things. And I just came here to explore this place, and I'm just making this video just let you know that how it feel like when you are at an alumni. Have you ever visited like this kind of alumni ever? So if you didn't even visit this kind of alumni, I badly recommend you to come here and have an experience of this alumni. And that's a short video for Maybe in English. Thank you so much for watching us. Follow my Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.